All right, what's good? So, Friday, July 28th, up 72, took two trades today. And, shit, let's just get into it. So, yeah, not too much moves. In the morning, we are kind of just pumping up a little bit. Honestly, I thought it was just going to be a trend day. I thought we were going to be going up the entire day. But I was wrong. And, I caught this, a little bit of this move down. You're about to see why. So, yeah, this one, first play was head and shoulders. So, left shoulder right here, head right here, and then right shoulder right here. Honestly, when this first formed, I thought this was going to be left shoulder, head, and then this right here was going to be the right shoulder. But it didn't break this neckline right here, so I didn't take it. So, I had a sell order right when, I created it right at the top when it looked like this was going to be the right shoulder. So, yeah, it didn't break, so I canceled the sell order. And then it came up and formed this right shoulder, and then once it kind of started to bottom down, that's when I was like, shit, this could be the right shoulder. So I created another sell order, which, let's see, okay, yeah. So I put the sell order, obviously it's this arrow right here, I put it about a half a point under the break. So it like the break of the neckline was this little wick right here. So this was the neckline, and I put it about a half a point below. And so, as you can see, just red candles. After that, just went down. I wasn't red at all during this trade, so it was a solid trade. And yeah, that's how it usually is with these head and shoulders like this. It was pretty smooth, so I took it. And then, as you can see, it's just big pump down. But I did sell 3 contracts at like VWAP or near VWAP because I had this selling channel drawn out. So before I took the trade, I had it all planned out in my head, obviously, as you should. So I was gonna take all 3 contracts at VWAP, but since we were at this bottom of this buying channel, or like VWAP is near the bottom of the buying channel, I just decided once we hit it, so I sold 3, and then I kept 2 as runners, which, it a little pullback, but then we just pushed through VWAP in the selling channel, went down even more. And so once we came down here even more, I had my 6-point target profit, I think was like around here, or nah, it was probably like right here. 4609, so it'd be 4603.50. So okay, yeah, so my 6-point target profit was right here, right where my cursor is. But I actually moved it down just because, I knew since we had this big reversal, and if we pushed below VWAP, it was going to be a big move. So I moved my target profit down, and then I was like, okay, I'm going to close this myself. I placed it right at 4601 because let me pull up Bookmap. So, I'll show you Bookmap when I first took the trade. So my entry was right here. So there's no buying liquidity right below, or I guess not really a lot. And then see, I pull up. This was after I closed. Oh yeah, so yeah, I don't want to pull that up right now. So yeah, we pushed below VWAP, and then moved my target down because. Okay, yeah, here's why, yeah. Because at 4600, there's a little more selling liquidity, so I just put it at 4601. So I was waiting for it to hit that, but before it hit it, well, actually, for me, it never hit it. It pulled up a little more, and I sold, and I actually closed out of the position because there's a little bit of consolidation. And then once it pushed below the consolidation, that's when I got more confident they were going to push lower. But they came back up, and I guess I just got a little nervous, and I closed out of my position because I had a decent amount of profits already. But realistically, I shouldn't have sold because it never went above EMA, and I missed this entire move down. So that was a little disappointing. You know, you can see right here, entry, first close, second close. I didn't even get the 6 points on the runners. So I was kind of disappointing because I just experienced this whole dump down, and I literally bought in once it reversed down. I had a fantastic entry. No red candle. I mean, it wasn't red at all. So that was kind of disappointing. But next trade, it was a red trade. So, but it was a little loss. So you see left shoulder right here, and then head right here, right shoulder right here. So it's kind of slanted head and shoulders, neckline right here. So once we broke out, that's when I bought in. I bought in manually on this one. So I mean, I bought in, came up a little bit, about a point and a half, and then just popped down, consolidated for a little bit. I didn't like how we are kind of consolidating because usually I mean, this one was quick when it broke out, but this one certainly wasn't. I mean, it came up and it looked like it baited. Look, it looked like it was just a bait. So I mean, closed out for. I mean, and also, I only took 3 contracts on this one instead of 5 because it's Friday. I don't want it to eat into my profits if I do go red. So I only took 3, but I closed out at. What is that? I can't even see what this is. I think it was about 3/4 of a point red. I'm pretty sure about that. Yeah. I think 3/4 of a point. So 3 ticks. So I lost about 15, $20. I think it was 15, and then after fees it was about 20. So not bad. I had 90 on that first trade, but then now we're at 72. So I mean, not a bad day to end it off. I mean, I'll show you because this account's over with. So let me show you the trade performance. So I mean, the account started on the 17th. So and then today's the 28th. So I have a 66% win rate. So every 2 out of 3 trades I'm winning. So that's good because my risk to reward I should be at 33%. So it's looking good. We're making good progress. I mean, last week we kind of fucked it up, but this week I rewatched my videos and learned from my mistakes. And also another thing I'm saying is slanted head and shoulders and slanted inverse head and shoulders are not working out. So I might be a little more pickier on taking those. I don't even have to rewatch my videos to notice or realize that they haven't been working out. So like head and shoulders, like how I took this one right here. This one was more smooth. There was just a clear neckline. It wasn't slanted at all. Like those I'm going to take. Like these I'm going to take. So yeah. I think it's time as well. I might start on a funded account as well. I might buy one today. So next video you see, I should be starting on a evaluation account. So wish me luck. So I mean, yeah, that's it. End of the week, up 185 on this account. We were up 200, but now we're up 185. Not terrible. So yeah.